Being a chef is more than cooking good food. It's a skill, an art to excel in. You all have some questions in your mind, while looking for an informative video that can solve all your queries about how to become a professional chef in India. We are here to help you understand the process in a better way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. How to become a professional chef? If you want to become an expert chef, follow the 3C rule. Number 1, creativity. What more you can do? Being a chef, it's your responsibility to engage your customers with something new, whether in terms of food prep, cooking styles, or serving. Explore new dishes, recipes, and flavors. Being a creative chef can bring hundreds of opportunities for you. Number 2, cleanliness. Keeping a kitchen environment sanitized and clean makes a huge difference. Maintaining good hygiene standards can help you in the following ways. Reduces the chances of food poisoning in customers. Build customer loyalty and trust. Number 3, culinary expertise. It's the culinary arts of food preparation, cooking, and presentation of food, usually in the form of meals. Your culinary skills will help you to sustain and grow in the industry while building credibility. For more details, you can check out IBCA Delhi's official website, where you can book a consultation with our experts and learn more about how to become a certified professional chef in India. Contact us.